What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming phones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've curated a list of options catering to different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is a gaming powerhouse with top-of-the-line hardware and unique features that cater to gamers' needs. It boasts excellent wireless connectivity with numerous 5G bands, Wi-Fi 7 support, and Bluetooth 5.3 compatibility. The phone is equipped with the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which delivers unparalleled gaming performance. It offers an exclusive high-performance mode called X Mode, which can be activated manually or automatically when the phone detects a game or benchmark. The device's battery configuration is equally impressive, featuring two 3000 mAh cells for a combined capacity of 6000 mAh. The dual-cell design enables fast charging of up to 65 volts without generating excessive heat. Additionally, the phone's cooling system, including the AeroActive Cooler 7, ensures efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions. With its 6.78-inch 165Hz AMOLED display, air trigger controls, and haptic feedback, the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate provides a console-like gaming experience. The device also comes with the unique ROG Vision Matrix display on the back, showcasing animations triggered by system events. In summary, the Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is a top-notch gaming smartphone that excels in performance, battery life, and gaming features, making it an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts. The Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro is a cutting-edge gaming smartphone that excels in both display and performance. It features a top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring smooth and responsive gaming experiences. The device showcases a revamped boxy design with a distinctive square silhouette, conveying a gaming vibe. The phone boasts a high-resolution and bright 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, delivering stunning visuals for gaming and media consumption. For gaming enthusiasts, the Red Magic 8 Pro comes equipped with a dedicated Red Core 2 gaming chip and an improved internal cooling system with a 20,000 RPM high-speed turbofan. These features ensure efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions, allowing for extended play without overheating. The device packs a sizable 6000 mAh battery designed specifically for gaming needs, offering extended usage without frequent recharging. Furthermore, the phone features RGB lighting effects capable of 16.8 million colors and 4096 brightness levels, adding a personalized touch to the gaming experience. Nubia has managed to expand the display and minimize bezels, resulting in an impressive 93.7% screen-to-body ratio. The phone also houses a discreetly hidden front camera, preserving the sleek gaming-focused design. Constructed with a sturdy aerospace aluminum mid-frame, the Red Magic 8 Pro ensures durability and minimal flex. The inclusion of a 20,000 RPM cooling fan that consumes minimal energy contributes to the device's efficient cooling system. In terms of audio, the phone features 5 magnet linear speakers optimized with DTS:X Ultra, providing immersive surround sound effects for an enhanced gaming experience. Overall, the Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro is a powerful gaming smartphone with a focus on performance, design, and cooling capabilities, making it a compelling choice for mobile gamers seeking a high-quality gaming device. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, released in early 2023, is a flagship Android smartphone designed with optimal gaming performance in mind. Addressing the GUS issue encountered in the Galaxy S22, Samsung ensured that the Galaxy S23 series excels in various areas critical to a high-quality portable gaming device. The phone boasts a 6.8-inch KHD+ display with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate, providing smooth and rapid gameplay on a stunning screen. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's intelligent display feature adjusts color tone and contrast for an unaffected gaming experience. It is powered by a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, delivering strong performance in popular titles like Apex Legends and COD Mobile. The phone's massive 5,000 mAh battery capacity ensures extended gaming sessions, and super-fast charging keeps you in action. Despite some concerns about Genshin Impact's gaming performance, the Galaxy S23 Ultra remains one of the best gaming smartphones, offering a stunning and fluid experience with exceptional performance, an excellent camera system, and a top-notch display. The OnePlus 11 is a remarkable device that excels in several key areas, making it an ideal choice for everyday gaming. Its powerful features, unparalleled battery life, and budget-friendly price set it apart from the competition. The phone's build quality is sturdy, providing a comfortable feel without being overly heavy, and it shows no signs of bending. The massive 6.7-inch 1440p curved AMOLED display offers outstanding brightness and vibrancy, enhancing the gaming and reading experience. The OnePlus 11 offers two biometric security options, an optical fingerprint sensor, and face unlock, both of which are quick and precise. Gaming performance is top-notch, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, allowing smooth gameplay at maximum settings. The device's 5,000 mAh battery, combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's efficiency, delivers exceptional battery life, easily lasting 2 days. Additionally, the OnePlus 80-watt fast charging ensures a full charge in just over 30 minutes. Overall, the OnePlus 11 is a feature-packed and attractive phone that caters to gaming enthusiasts while maintaining a competitive price point and providing a seamless user experience. The phone's sleek design, powerful performance, and Dolby Vision-supported display contribute to its appeal as a well-rounded flagship device. Its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and ample RAM ensure smooth multitasking and gaming performance. The phone's camera array by Hasselblad delivers impressive photos and videos. The OnePlus 11 is a solid choice for those seeking a powerful and attractive flagship smartphone with great gaming capabilities. The Sony Xperia 5 IV is a powerful and compact smartphone that caters to the needs of professional gamers and content creators. It emphasizes image and sound quality while offering extensive customization capabilities. With features like adjustments to screen settings for better gaming experiences, live streaming support, and impressive battery life, the Xperia 5 IV stands as a strong contender in the smartphone market. Despite its compact size, the Xperia 5 IV maintains a 6.1-inch 21:9 OLED display, making it feel narrower than other large devices. It boasts a robust build with a metal frame and a matte glass back, which supports wireless charging and resists fingerprint smudges. Sony's software experience, including apps for enhancing gaming and live streaming, makes it a creation-centered ecosystem. The Xperia 5 IV is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, along with the added bonus of an SD card slot. Overall, the Xperia 5 IV is an excellent choice for both power users and gamers, offering a comprehensive package with 5G connectivity and top-notch hardware features.